Wedding Unity Glass by Live, Laugh, Love Art is not your traditional Unity ceremony. Let us transform your commitment to each other into a beautiful blown glass keepsake made at our Portland, Oregon studio and shipped anywhere in the U.S. The process is simple. Choose your glass crystals, pour them during your commitment ceremony, and ship the crystals back to us after they're mixed. Then, our expert glass blower will create your chosen blown glass keepsake. We offer over 30 colors of glass crystals to create your own color combination to match your wedding and home decor. We currently offer dozens of keepsake choices, plus we are always adding new styles of keepsakes. You can order your glass crystals, pouring vessel kits, and keepsakes online with free shipping at weddingunityglass.com. Enjoy watching the magic of glass blowing and some of the process of combining hot molten glass and Unity glass crystals.